Albert Einstein said, "We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them." This famed scientist changed the world with his revolutionary thinking. From the theory of relativity to the mass energy equivalence, his scientific formulas and theories have shattered our former understanding of the universe and the technology that we possess today. This is relevant to all of us because it is important to understand his scientific achievements because those theories and advancements affect our lives and everyday things such as the GPS. These sources that I have used are mostly scholarly, including some by Einstein himself. The thesis of this presentation is that Albert Einstein formulated many scientific theories that changed the knowledge and technology that the world possesses. In this presentation, I shall discuss Albert Einstein's life from his minimal beginnings as a patent clerk to his future career as a scientist, and I shall discuss some of his major theories, primarily focusing on the mass energy equivalence and the theory of relativity. And then I shall discuss in what ways those theories have changed the world and the technology that we possess. When discussing how Einstein changed how we live, we must first learn how he lived when he was alive. Einstein's career started off small. He started off as a clerk in a patent office in Switzerland. Surprisingly, he was passed up for promotion because he could not grasp the use of technology in that office. He spent a lot of his spare time thinking and trying to become a professor. Einstein eventually became a professor at the University of Zurich. That was also where he was awarded his doctorate. He commenced formulating a lot of his major papers and theories at that point. After becoming a professor at the University of Zurich, Einstein began teaching at other sites and formulating some of his major scientific theories and ideas at that time. So, just after being a mere clerk in a patent office, he could change the world for the better. Einstein discovered multiple scientific theories, formulas, and ideas that he observed in the world around him. These changed the world forever. There are many, many that he created, but two of the most well-known and most world-changing were the theory of relativity and the mass energy equivalence. The theory of relativity is comprised of two separate theories, special relativity and general relativity. Special relativity is the principle of the physical relativity of all physical motion. It applies to all elementary particles and their motion, except for gravitation. General relativity is concerned with the relativity of gravitation. Another one of Einstein's major theories, the mass-energy equivalence, states that the energy of a physical system is equal to the product of its mass and the speed of light squared. That is the famous formula of E equals mc squared. Both of these formulas are incredibly important to the technology that we possess today and have changed the world immensely. Einstein's theories of relativity and mass-energy equivalence have enabled us to have a greater understanding of the universe and have significantly increased our technology that we possess today. His theory of relativity has enabled us to create two major aspects of living that are necessary to today's technological climate: the global positioning system and GLONASS. Everybody knows what the global positioning system and GLONASS are for. They are highly detrimental to our ability to navigate around the world today and for satellite use. His mass energy equivalence is used to convert units of mass to units of energy. Thus, it is used to create nuclear energy and other aspects of that sort of technology. At one point, Albert Einstein was a mere patent clerk. Eventually, through hard work and thinking, he became a professor and then one of the world's most renowned scientists. So, anyone can change the world as long as they set their mind to it. He did, with his creating various important scientific theories.